There you go. It's going to be tight. It's going to be real tight.
Pop it in and pop it up.
Well, now make sure that front's hinged in there real nice first. That's going to be real tight. You're going to have to shove it in there. Nah. The angle's all off. Yeah, you want to hold it nice and firm, way up high. Really, you're at an angle. Here, let me do it. Take the camera. Take the camera. This one's going to be tight. Crank it in there. Like that. And you don't have to rack around. Oh, you don't have to rack around into it because it is ready to go. Throw this in there, create a little weight. Okay, so just take the safety off. And you're ready to go straight down. There you go. Keep them on the dirt, the back wall. Pick at something, find a particular rock area and shoot near it, on it, hit it, you know. It's not like we're shooting at targets or anything. Anything you want. It's right out in front of you. On that wall.
Go. It's not out there, but
it's heavy. The longer you hold it, the more you can feel it. It's a 40-round mag. It's not a light rifle. Keep it on the wall, though. Only fire as fast as you're comfortable. Looks good.
You want something?
Huh? No, go ahead. You can finish it off. You're moving back to a state where you can't have this stuff, so.
Yeah.
There you go. That was pretty nice. That was 3 on the wall.
Down.
That was nice, man. You're doing good. Good. As long as you're keeping them on there. Good.
You were going way up there.
That was almost close, but your third and final one came down. So.
No timeout and war. Down.
Down. Make sure you're down. Looks good. Do you hear a click?
Yeah.
All right. What you want to do is rack it back and make sure that it actually. Is there anything in there?
No, that's empty.
Not a thing, huh?
Yep.
Well, then it's done.
All right. So let it go.